wallah friend. This is the block 2. We come here go. My friend Bangi friend come from BD after 1 year. I come. Now pick up, go home. Terminal 3 Bangi come. Still to jam. I go very jam. I go pick up Bangi. After so long, hi, hello, talk, fine. Then eat, go round here, there, go eat. Sleep home. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. Total look. Okay? Yes, guys. Still little go friend, but too much traffic here. Too much traffic. See, guys. Wow, guys. Here camera is very clear. I look beautiful. So guys, finally I got the ticket, man. Now I can parking here. Then I go airport. See where is Bangi. I see Bangi. Package Bangi. Meet Bangi. Talk Bangi. Then bring. Meet with you guys. Yes, salam. Guys, do much problem. Big airport, too much problem. Traffic, all the way traffic. Here and there car. Too much people, too much population. No undertaking mask. Mask always up. Otherwise, coronavirus effect. Fine, police cash. Too much problem. Sharjah no problem. Small airport. Go parking. Friend come, pick up, go home, no problem. Dubai, too much problem. Yes, guys, finally, this is the place we got the parking after so long. Beautiful, I thought day was, but day was not much beautiful. Now it's going to be beautiful. This is the guys. There is the big car inside this airport. Totally very good expensive guys. Cars all around us. But I is the too much very little poor. Corolla station being here under this parking ground. Okay? No problem. Stay tuned. Look forward all the video. Do not escape. Hello guys. Going inside guys. Wow guys. Look how beautiful. Very expensive. This is Dubai. This walking way. Okay, now I go that side, then inside the airport I show you, no problem. Stay with me. I see you all the video total here and there, no problem. I look black little. I become beautiful when light come go, no problem. Guys, see this. Before this here water was there falling down like waterfall, beautiful waterfall. Now off because virus water touch, another touch, has to touch full Dubai to Sharjah. Too much problem. Look this area, look. Ooh. That's good. Guys, there is too much people. I will just show you everything here and there. I know talk there because you know I do PhD in English. People will stare at me. People will say, "How do you know too much English?" Okay, so there is a problem. Too much problem, guys. Too much. Everywhere crowd. Virus is there. Very much problem in Dubai. Look how much. Wow, there is an amazing plastic dead tree. It is the beautiful from other side. This side not much clear. Guys, here I will show you very amazing thing. It's a cool thing. Wait, this it is called a trolley. This is trolley. We put things on there. We press from here this side. It go like this. Oh, there is many amazing cool things. I show you. Everywhere I go, I make video. Okay, blog. I post. Keep support my channel. Subscribe. You, I together. All the way. Totally. See guys, this is for safety purpose. This is very dangerous enemy. This virus. So very much problem. Too much problem. They were for safety. Guys, I wait here for very much long. Still no come outside my friend. He is still inside. When he come, I show you guys. Okay. Guys, still too much long. Bangi now come outside. We still wait for him. But guys, Bangi call now. I pick up. Then I say you guys. Okay. Guys, Bangi say too much traffic. A lot, million people in front for immigration for a stamp. Now my brother go upside, go roam here, there, see this, that, things, beautiful. If good things, amazing things, we show you, okay? No problem. Wow guys, there is a good thing. See guys. Oh. This is without the steps. Lift ended now. Guys, there is the one best thing. You are gonna see it. Just wait. Boom. We can see the people are waiting. Guys, there is a coffee shop, Costa coffee shop. Very expensive. No money. Poor people, empty pocket. We show you the coffee shop. Wow. Beautiful. Stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Watch the full video. No skip go, okay? No part skip. Full watch. Guys, there is a shopping mall inside this airport. Wait, I show you. Boom. Beautiful, right? Inside too much candy, chocolate, clothes, everything. This side you can see. No money, empty pocket. Too much problem Dubai. Like that. Guys, again I show you something beautiful. Boom. Luggages are roaming around the world. I mean, in the inside of this airport. Okay. Guys, I show you something beautiful thing. It's very Beautiful, nice. So you can see this, no problem. Boom. See? These things are called, I don't know what called this thing, but maybe this is called cart or cart or cart, something like that. But it's driving thing, car stuff, but beautiful, right? Oh, still the most beautiful didn't Congo. So just wait for the moment. This virus applying too much around the world. See, this thing is for safety purpose. See, you can see this. No sitting here means no sitting here. This you can sit, no problem. This place empty place, and this one for tea, coffee and all, snack you can eat, no problem. You can sit there like this and look everywhere. Okay guys, this all I show you here and there, beautiful things, but most very expensive thing I will show you. Like literally, see, I don't have no watch, this and also empty hand, but in the airport, Rolex, too much expensive people in Dubai. I come first time here, I see this, now I very surprised. You guys also, maybe some people surprised, no problem. All around the world, one day go see. Okay, show you guys. Okay guys, you people, many people like delicious food, good food, Italian food. See, it's there also, no problem. You have money, pocket on fire, you eat calm, no problem. Me poor people, it's too much problem. I got tired of roaming here and there. Now finally I come here, sit. Social distance, very important. Social distance. Coronavirus affect everywhere. Here touch, there touch, from here to there, spread. Too much problem. Okay, I go shut down the blog for some hour. Okay, next time when Bangi come go, I show you. This is the final moment. Boom! This is my friend Bangi. Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back. Hello Dubai.
Bangi very fast English talk.
Yeah.
No problem. I PhD UAE, Bangi PhD UK. Too much money, Bangi.
Too much money, huh?
Around the world, here, there, roam, eat, no eat. Money saving under pocket, keeping too much.
Too much, huh?
PhD doing here, there. You support me, sign up my channel. You show everything.
You show everything.
Now Bangi with me.
PhD,
New
from
blog coming.
UK.
No problem. I show you everything.
Problem.
This is the actual movement we waiting for very long time. 1 year, one long year.
Yes.
This Bangi finally
I
come.
go Bangladesh, no come. Wallah, no come.
Too much
This
problem.
Bangladesh, no come. Wait, Kartin.
He too PhD. I PhD. He also.
This Bengal motherfucker.
Hey, shut up, you bloody bastard.
Yes. Bangi, no problem. Bangi, my friend. Very, very close friend.
Yes.
No problem. I show you my another friend. One friend, Nitar friend.
Nita?
Yes.
Was Anita?
Nitar friend. This Nitar friend live there, go after exam, come, go fishing. We together, Bangi, me,
Fishing?
my friend, best friend, close friend,
Yes.
and Nithar friend, Idris friend. All friend together go catch
Nitar ko.
fishing friend, all go. Hey, yo bro, our car is that side, man.
Yo bro, car chori kiya man.
Okay, no problem. I show you my beautiful car.
Bitik,
It's
bitik.
very, very too much pocket on fire.
Yes,
I
bitik.
service car today. First service car. Okay, no
Very
problem.
big money.
New money. This. My car. Beautiful car. Now come after a very, very long hair. So take Bangi home. Eat. Meet. Talk. Every day beautiful now. After too much long beautiful vibe, you can understand. So there Bangi after come. This is very full.
ओए तेरा ब्लॉग कम कर यार. ये
Okay.
डिग्गी में डालेगा वाला नहीं.
So here
Hello,
Bangi come.
what's up guys? We are going
No
to
problem, no problem.
Sharjah, go home.
After come longi very very.
Yes, sleep now.
No sleep.
Eh?
Eat good. Here there talk meet. Okay, AC fast.
AC fast.
Okay,
no
AC
problem.
now light. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the
Hey,
very very
hey
real
guys. Hey guys.
beautiful moment. Okay.
On right side, one lady is there.
No ladies, no ladies.
Why, man?
Beautiful, beautiful boys around the world.
Very.
Okay, now Bangi see my very beautiful diving. Bangi after long come, no see me 1 year. Me no see Bangi 1 year. Too much problem. Dubai too much problem. Money everywhere go. No money, no
Good
honey.
deal.
No honey, no baby. Okay, hey. This Bangi now sit back. See how Bangi. Like this, see, man. I small, very, very small cycle go. Now car, man. Yes. Corolla. This Corolla drift. Now I became very, very big.
Yes. Become big, me drive car, no problem.
Too much problem. Too much problem. This is the way, wrong way.
What wrong way?
Yes, that's wrong way.
What the
Only one way. This is Dubai. Too much problem.
Dubai, no problem. Very problem, man. Hey, Kader. No. We see this cute boy. Very cute.
Okay, now is the time is the for go everywhere round.
Yes.
Now no time blog
Yes.
star later
Later.
on the road highway we show we go eat make video. Okay, no problem. You support I no problem. No mask down. Too much corona problem.
Yes.
Support problem.
This
okay.
airport, Corona.
Problem.
Yes,
This,
yes.
Now you support people channel our okay support go eat go room around beautiful day. Okay.
Yes.
This guy too much problem. Ticket. No money. No. Understand.
Wallah, me pay the ticket.
Hey, you don't.
You bloody.
Too much problem. This first time block very excited guys. Celebrity people autograph
yes.
selfie. Too much problem.
Yes.
Like a hyping guys, man.
This man.
They come inside the
man,
camera.
come. Public coming.
Try to go
public
inside by
coming.
the camera.
Hey man, public coming.
Public stop. Okay, I stop the. Okay, stay tuned. Watch full the video. No escape. Okay,
Okay.
guys. Now is the pay time.
Yeah.
Oiga, sal.
Okay, no problem.
This too much fucking
Now is the time for the
driving.
Bangi vibes with some little food here and there. Go home, then sleep. Okay. For today, this much. Now I look little black. Okay. After come light, I am beautiful. Okay. No problem. Keep support. Keep watch. No problem. Yo guys, look where we are. Now it's eating time, guys. Oh. See, beautiful, expensive thing. See.
हाथ तो धोएगा लाजम
With
चश्मा लाया
Bangi.
चश्मा
Okay.
लाया
Okay, so here Bangi. What?
look
what-
ये चीज
What you stole?
नहीं देगा
Okay, from plane, huh?
चोरी
From
चोरी
plane.
चोरी चोरी
Good. Guys, here is the sitting. We are deciding for what eating today. Night, beautiful night. Bangi come after so long, very long, after one year.
yes
So guys, here is the I was the after deciding after a long time. See here and there. So there was a beautiful king. I will show you guys. Shatur. So this mandi came. Okay. Mandi. How you feeling?
very good
So here it is the now full pack is complex now. Dew, soup, mandi, all around. So how you feeling?
very good no
So it's time for eating very much. So now for the camera is close. Stay tuned. More video, full video come. Okay, no problem. Support. So guys, food is the finish now. It finish.
you can see this multi where is yes see no nothing wallah
Empty. All eat finish.
all
Taban.
इथे घूमते
This boy sleep now here. My brother. काही एकदम तामा करेल sorry no emotion control. Many day long day go after one year eat go. So tama too much problem. Now stomach big. Go home sleep.
घोड़ा बेच
Oh, for now today finish vlog. Guys, like, comment, share, subscribe.
ये ले मेरा एक
Subscribe.
photo अरे
Subscribe. Huh? Subscribe. Support. Khalas. Support, guys.